This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the July 2022 release. The full list of features can be found in the July 2022 version 20.22.7 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features. In Brightspace Pulse, Discovery better supports text-to-speech assistive technology. Importing and exporting quiz questions now includes alignment to outcomes from ANS standards with the Import-Export tool. With Turnitin, restrict files to file types supported by Turnitin with the updated panel. Use Microsoft's OneDrive LTI application to link and embed files from OneDrive. And finally, a summary of changes made for all the other features. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. Brightspace Pulse's Discovery feature supports several improvements to better support users who employ text-to-speech assistive technology. The Who Provides Your Learning autocomplete field is renamed to Find Your School or Institution to make the label more intuitive for non-visual learners. The field is additionally marked as an edit field, indicating where to tap to activate and what to enter. The prompt displayed when no results are returned has been changed to, "We're sorry, we were not able to find a match. Please try a different institution." Or, if you know the school or institution's web address, you can enter it down below. Typing a letter into the field has the displayed results announced via an ARIA audio alert. If there are no results, users are notified without requiring them to press the Enter key. This indicates to non-visual learners if there are results. The Brightspace Pulse feature is available to all Brightspace Pulse clients and is automatically enabled. This feature has the following accessibility impacts: WCAG 2.1 success criteria 3.3.2 labels or instructions, 1.3.1 info and relationships, and 4.1.3 status messages. With the Import-Export tool, D2L course zip packages can now be imported and exported with ASN outcome alignment for questions. Previously, the quiz import process retained the alignments of ASN standards only for content topics and those directly aligned to assignments. Question alignments for importing or exporting rubrics and quizzes is not presently supported. The Import-Export feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. With this release, instructors can now restrict file types to those supported by Turnitin. If an invalid type is submitted, an error is reported. The updated side panel now indicates which Turnitin services are enabled. The text on these indications reflects the new Turnitin feature names for Similarity Report and Online Grading. Navigate to Assignments, and under the drop-down Options menu, select Edit Assignment. Expand the Submission and Completion tab, and select an option from the Allowable File Extensions drop-down. Here, we've selected PDF only. Once completed, click Save and Close to save your changes. This feature is available to all clients with the Turnitin integration. To enable, navigate to the Allowable File Extensions drop-down menu and select Compatible with Turnitin. The new Microsoft OneDrive application supports file browsing, navigating and sorting directories, selecting files, and switching between Microsoft accounts. The changes to support the new OneDrive LTI include supporting the OneDrive LTI app cancel button, and adding a configuration variable to display the OneDrive LTI app in the Quick Link option, found in Edit Assignments. The Microsoft OneDrive feature implements the following PI item: D4975, Disable Document Viewer on per topic or per course basis. Thank you to those who put forward this PI suggestion to implement this feature. This feature can be added by an administrator as a regular LTI 1.3 tool. To enable, first disable the former OneDrive app. Administrators can then add the new OneDrive LTI application to the Quick Link bar. Please note that the current OneDrive Link Embed tool will end of life in the near future. this update does not change any existing Learner OneDrive file pickers. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. Obsolete configuration variables related to the download button have been removed from the audio-visual tool. Harness powerful data with a new version of the adoption dashboard in Brightspace Insights. In Brightspace Learning Environment, easily filter items across the platform with improved multi-contextual filter dialog. Brightspace platform requirements is improved to receive browser update alerts. In Data Hub, access meaningful content file information with the content file's property log dataset. Copy grade items only copies unique or in-use grade schemes with the Grades tool. With learning groups, target personalized learning with the ability to add restrictions during locked learning group setup. LTI features additional supported claim values for LTI 1.3, as well as changes to the LTI Advantage administrative interfaces. Using Outcomes Management, eliminate duplication of effort with improved import rules around aligned ASN standards in the Standards Learning Outcomes tool. And finally, rearrangement of options for the Turnitin integration, as well as Turnitin feature names now reflected in Brightspace Learning Environment's user interface. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the July 2022 version 20.22.7 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!